Hello, today I am going to show you how to see who saved your TikTok, or is it possible to see those people who save your TikTok. First, you have to go to your TikTok application or simply go to your Google Play Store and see if your TikTok is up to date. If not, you have to click update in order for you to use the latest version of your TikTok application. Now, once done, open your TikTok and then here as you can see, if you have posted a video and someone saved your video by looking at the save option there, yet you can't see that person who saved your video, then you will get curious, right? But sorry to say that you can't see that because people can simply save your video by doing or tapping the save video here, and you will not be notified if they save your video on TikTok or not. Okay, so that's it. Now, if someone reposted your video, then obviously maybe you can see it somewhere on your newsfeed. But you can't see that person who saved your TikTok because TikTok doesn't allow that feature, and we don't know why. So if you don't want your video to be saved by someone, you can simply do this method here. Tap these three lines at the top right corner, and then go to settings and privacy. Now, once you're here, you have to scroll down, go to privacy, and look for the option downloads and make sure that this one here is turned off. So as you can see, if you turn this one on, you're allowing people to download your video with or without your permission because that's how TikTok goes. So again, you can't see anyone who saved your video, but you can prevent them from uploading your video. I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our next videos.